a lot of things happen. Please like the video and share the video, guys. Don't be selfish and keep the video for yourself. All right, I want you guys to share it. 69 evening. All right, thank you so much for coming on the show. I appreciate the love. All right, let's kick it off. You need a blender. That's the first thing. Blender. You need a strainer also too. So if you never met this before, this is what you're gonna need to do. Blender with some pomegranate seed. This is nice, man. Hey, beautiful chick. So I brought my one in the supermarket because it's more easier for me. Yeah. When I brought it in the supermarket. Alright. What is that in the bottom of it? Anyway. Once is not something to and me, I'd have to bring back to Tesco. And I'd have to alright. Yeah. Nice one. Alright. So we're gonna need a few ingredients. We need a few ingredients. Christy Williams. Beautiful chick fox. Nice and light and power. Alright, I'll make it with ice. Okay. Beautiful one. Pineapple. Pineapple is good, guys. Do not underestimate pineapple. Alright, we got the pineapple. Alright, lovely. Got some beautiful pineapple right there. Come on, guys, please like the video, man, and don't be selfish over there. Like the video. Don't keep the video for yourself. So we got some lemon. Half a lemon. Nice one. Got a nice piece of a ginger. You know what I mean? Ginger. All right, guys, look at that. Ginger in it. That is good, man. All right, we're gonna put some orange. I think yesterday we have beetroot. Yeah. Really nice yesterday. That's the orange. Yeah, man. Beautiful and nice. That looking really good. Queen Elizabeth, thank you so much in the building. All right. Now, get a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Put roughly about a teaspoon. Some water. water. A little bit more water, guys. Free up the blender. Lovely. Okie dokie dokie. Cover the blender just like this. All right, that's to make sure. Perfect. That's the way it look, and that is excellent. All right, yeah, man. See this? Yeah, man. We're gonna make some knives now. All right. So, yeah, we're gonna make some knives in the kitchen. Big up on yourself. Craig, what's going on, man? Merry Christmas. I have been drinking your turmeric tea, lemon, drink it with ATC, and I've been losing weight. The benefits are good. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. The benefit is powerful. Yeah, I know. Long. I like that. Yeah. Wow. So YouTube has changed up the thing that even can't pin nothing like before. But anyway, let's make some noise. Wow. Be nice. The blender won't burn up. Well, on the first chop Ricardo. Yeah, simmer the blender. You want to burn up. Do you smell it? The blender, like you want to burn. Like the blender wanna burn up, man. You could smell it. Something is burning, I don't even know what. Anyway, it's good still, it's fine. Alright, now. I didn't tighten it good, that's why. Oh yeah, look at that, guys, amazing. Wow. Chef Ricardo is in the building. Yes. Let's strain it. And these are what I like, man, these juice. You know what I mean? This is powerful, guys. Look at that. Big up yourself every time. 20 green. This is for you, man. This is for you. Christy Williams, get in the kitchen. Craig, get in the kitchen. Yeah, girl, good morning. Oh, you're in the kitchen, Chris Williams. Big up yourself, man. Yeah. Make it, man. Let's make this in the kitchen. Gregor, get in the kitchen. Beautiful trick. Merry Christmas. Beautiful trick. Happy Valentine, man. Nice to see you. Happy Easter. Yeah. That is good, guys. That looking good. Yes, Chef Ricardo. That looking amazing, man. All right. Yes. Let's pour it out. Pour it out, Chef Ricardo. Oh my God in heaven. I love this, man. I don't, see, this is what I love. All right. Anyway, cheers, guys. I love one all. I love everyone on it. Do you love Chef Ricardo? Tell me if you love me. If you don't love me, write it in the comments. Do you love Chef Ricardo? Yes or no? I want to say, you know what? Thank you so much for the support. And I'm going to say, thank the Lord for what God has provided for every one of us. Not me alone. Everyone. Let's drink. Cheers. Let's drink. Oh my God. Oh, I love this, guys. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna send some photo. Oh yes, I love you too. I love you too, Craig. Oh yes, oh, this is amazing, man. This is, wow, this is beautiful. Here's is him. Big up yourself. This is good, guys. And the beautiful thing, you can taste the pineapple. Very strong. Yeah. Miss Smoothie, my favorite time. You're welcome, man. And you can taste the apple cider vinegar in it. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah. This is very good for you. This is so delicious. Delicious dinner. Definitely, man. I want to lose weight. I will try this. So, if you want to lose weight, man, apple cider vinegar, you can't go wrong. 1 month. Drink it for 1 month. If you drink this for 1 month, you lose weight everywhere on your body, from head to toe. All right, it's powerful. Apple cider vinegar, guys. Very, very powerful stuff, man. Pomegranate seed, orange, pineapple, ginger, half a lemon, apple cider vinegar, and water. Big up yourself every time. That's my TikTok. You got some people serious with the recipe, man. Nice.